welcome back to Gagne Farms. Today we just got a little hodgepodge going on. We got quite a few things we're wanting to get done, so we're just gonna kind of knock a few things out here for you. If you're new here, my name's Eric, and at Gagne Farms we do all sorts of homesteading things. We do canning, gardening, DIY things. We do maple syrup in the spring. All sorts. We do everything. You guys couldn't even believe how many things we do around here. We do meat chickens. We got egg layers here. We're going to get some ducks, I believe, in the near future. So today, like I said, we're just kind of out and about doing all the things that we can today. So if you guys enjoy this, stick around. Now I'm going to set up my second raised bed here in the garden. I think I've decided to not put a third over there right now. I just think it'll be too much in the way, so I kind of want to be able to get in and out of the garden easy. So if we have like carts or my ice sled to pull in and out of here, I want to be able to get in and out of the door and not have to trip over another raised bed. But we're going to go with 2 right now and see how that works. Might throw one in later. I might move some of these around. I don't know. So I got some hooks here to put on the inside of the garden gate so we can keep it shut, because right now I can't get my hand in to, I can't get my hand in to lock the barrel latch. So we're gonna put a little eyelet hook on here. Or I guess an eyelet and a hook, huh? Everybody's out and about today. Everybody's mowing their yards and kids are playing outside. Neighbors roofing a house. Lots of activity going on here today. One little latch. This is something else I've been wanting to do for quite a while now. It's kind of funny. I keep forgetting to grab a can of spray paint, but I've been wanting to hit this door. It's getting a little rusty here. And we've got a sign that I'm going to put up here as soon as the paint dries, so you can check that out too. But kind of funny, I finally remembered going to the store today, and the only reason I remembered to grab the paint, there was a commercial on that was advertising spray paint. So I actually remembered and got me some paint today. So we're going to go ahead and spray this door real quick. Let's hope this turns out okay. I don't know. Gotta look better than that though, right? Definitely not perfect, but it's better than what it was. So we're gonna let this dry. I'll probably get another can and touch it up a little bit, and I'd like to paint that trim around there too. So I got this sign here. It says Gagne Farms on it for Christmas last year, and I was waiting to be able to put it up, and I think today's the day. So I'm gonna try to attach this, something like that, eh? Pretty neat. go. What do you think, guys? Is it official now? I like it. Something like that. Then I think we paint up that trim around the door. Look good. Hey guys, I want to show you this too. I did end up getting the raised bed filled with clean out, and I tried to dig off the bottom of the pile, so it's, oh, I don't know, roughly a year old maybe. So yeah, I got this raised bed here. It's about half full. This one here, I just, like I said, I got clean out in both of these. I'm gonna put some of our finished compost on top, maybe a little bit of dirt. So I'm hoping that'll work. You guys maybe tell me in the comments down below there if this is a good idea or not. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this. I'm standing right back at the corner of the door here. I'm gonna leave this open. I was gonna put another bed here, but I want to be able to walk in and out this door easily and bring a cart in if I want to, so, or my sled. So this seems to be working out pretty good. Oh yeah, and I got this little latch right here. Just put on too. Oh, which only works if the barrel latch is closed from the other side. Huh, look at that. So, works great. I love this thing. I need to paint it. I'm not a fan of the bare wood decor. So, anyway, raised beds. Oh, hey, look at this too. I got this for Mama Gagne for Mother's Day, so I hope she likes it. She had to take off for a few minutes, so I actually have it sitting in the barn right now. Just trying to keep the frost off of it, but I threw it out here so it'd get a little bit of sun real quick before she got home, but I better go take that thing inside because I don't want her to see it quite yet. So, but yeah, real nice. We'll put this, put it somewhere. We get all sorts of flowers to put out here too. Oh, and these are some more of those. I think those are a variety of tiger lily that Candace got one year for Mother's Day, and they just keep coming back just like a tiger lily will. So I like them there. Uh-oh, here comes the chicken brigade. All right, guys, here's a quick update of our plant starts. I know we've had a couple videos here where we showed you guys starting some seeds, but it has become a jungle in here. Look at all that. I don't even have room for any more. I really wanted to start another succession of Roma tomatoes today, but I don't know as if I have any more room, so I might. But so these here are mostly Romas up till about here, and then these here are some of our hybrids. We got some jelly beans or a cherry tomato, some easy sauce. These, it's kind of funny. I really thought that the hybrids were going to do a lot better than the aromas, but it's actually completely opposite of that. Aromas are doing really good here, and our hybrids didn't take like I thought they were going to. They're growing. They're just a lot smaller. So if you can see, I'm getting them back. They're doing better now. They were a little peaked. And you can see some of this stuff here. I don't know what's going on with this guy. Probably because he's right in the light. But yeah, so we got some dill here, and I've got some marigolds and some zinnias back here. And here we've got broccoli and cauliflower, which is doing excellent. Here I started some lettuce, and I thought I would just give it a shot. So we'll see. I was really hoping to be able to plant this weekend, but I don't think we're going to now. And then here we've got some cilantro, I think some thyme in there. There's some basil. Down here we've got, these are some bigger zinnias popping up. I got some onions back there that I just tried potting up a little bit different and seeing how that went. These here are all of our cabbage plants, and well, except for that guy there, it looks like the cat got that leaf. But they're looking really good. So they need to get in the ground. I just can't get them in the ground yet, guys. It's too early. Let's see. We've got some peppers up here and some more tomatoes. I've got peppers in here, which are doing fabulous. I've got some cukes I started and some kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. There we go. And then I've got more tomatoes down here. And this is all peppers down here. Look at that. It's blocking out the light. I can't raise the light anymore. So they're doing really good. So that's just a quick update, guys. I wanted to give you an update about a week ago, but I got busy and wasn't able to do it. So like I say, we've got a jungle going on in here. So hopefully the weather's going to warm up for us and we can start getting this stuff in the ground. So just the other day, we got the phone call here, and we went and picked up our batch of meat chickens for the spring. So we got 30 Cornish cross meat chickens here, and they're about 5-6 days old now. So we're just getting ready to clean the coop and change out some feed and some water, and we might I have this partitioned here. I have a video of how I built this brooder right here. I'll link that right there. So if you guys want to check out how I built this brooder, it's super simple. But you can see I got a partition in there right now. And that's just to kind of keep them a little bit warmer in here. I'll probably open that up here real soon and let them have the whole space here. There's, I don't know, it's about 3x8, 4x8, something like that on the inside when it's opened up. So they're about in a 3x4 spot right now. And it's been cold. And at night I was really kind of worried that it would be too cold for them, but they seem to be just fine out here. I got the one light, and they're doing good. And it's actually out in the barn here. We didn't want to brood them in the house like we did last year. We got some videos last year when we got our first set of meat chickens, but yeah, this year we wanted to do them out in the barn. It is a lot later. Last year we got our meat chickens in March, and this year we got them, I think, the 3rd of May. So it's a lot warmer out. It's still cold. It's still getting into the 30s at night here, so that's why we don't want to. I was kind of worried, but I think it's going to be getting a little bit warmer now. They seem to be doing really good here. All right, there's meat chickens. Hey guys, check this out. There's Candace. She just walked out of the house with a bowl of scraps. And look where the chickens are. They know what's going on. They know they're getting a treat. Oh, here's Charlie. Quick Charlie update. You may see that he's shaved all over the place. We had a real tough time with him. I think one of our last videos, I was telling you guys that he was sick, and he ended up having to have emergency surgery. And he had something wrapped around in his intestines that he ate, and yeah, he did not do well. So he's looking a lot better now. He's got to go get some staples out here in the next day or two, but he's just now kind of getting outside a little bit. So that was a stressful time for us at the family here, because we were trying to, emergency surgery on Sundays is really cheap too. So, well, there you go, guys. That's day in the life at Gagne Farms this weekend. We got a few things done. So if you guys like this video, give me a big old thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. So we'll catch you in the next one, guys.